I trust you're great. Now, what is a crochet wardrobe without a beautiful crochet blouse? Those tank crochet blouses that just, spread out just beneath the diaphragm with this little nice flare. What is your crochet wardrobe without it? Something you can wear to the beach, something you can wear out shopping, something you can wear over pants, something you can wear over shorts, something you can wear over skirts. Oh my goodness, the versatility of blouses, crochet blouses is, man, it has no ending. So, before I go on and on and on and on and on about this blouse, are you new to our channel? Do go subscribe on a weekly basis. We inspire you on all of the possibilities of crochet. We walk you through how we made one of our own bespoke pieces like this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful blouse right here. We demystify what one celebrity or another wore. Yep, if it is great, trust me, we're going to demystify it. And then we talk patterns, we draw patterns, we modify patterns, we create patterns. We essentially just do everything. We teach everything that makes your crochet life way easier than it is right now. So you've learned your basics, but then you want to move yourself to the next level. It is right here. This is the best place for you to be. So do go subscribe. Now, we have our galleries up on Instagram, yeah, to see all the beautiful works that we and our alumni have created. Do go check out our wedding gallery. You can find that at Makisode Weddings. What would you find there? You will essentially find wedding dresses. You will find bridesmaids dresses. You would find wedding guest dresses. You would find everything essentially that you would find out there. You would stumble on out there at anybody's wedding. Yep, you'll find those there. And then for our corporates, our casuals, our accessories, our decor, all of those you can find at Makisode Models. Yep, do well to follow, do well to like, do well to leave a nice comment, and do well to share our content. All right, so back to this blouse. Yep, and really, really simple. Like I said, on here, once you've learned the basics of crochet, man, and then you stumble on this channel, you can pretty much create anything. So this blouse, everything up here was worked in half double crochet stitches. Yep, half double crochet stitches. If you do not know how to work half double crochet stitches, ask in the comments. I will share a video with you on how to work half double crochet stitches. And then down here we worked with V stitches, yeah, double crochet V stitches, but we worked this one in way thinner yarn. So let's say right up here we have a 4-ply, 3-ply, 4-ply. Right here we have 2-ply. Yep, so it's a lot, it gives that shimmy feel. Yep, when you wear it. Well, this is a lot sturdier. This other one is a little bit more shimmier, so to speak. So where did this start from? Essentially, we started from the waist region. So your waist region, this waist region here could be the point around the navel, right? It could be at the point around the navel, an inch above the navel, 2 inches above the navel, depending on your choice. Remember that there is a point called the diaphragm, which is directly under the bust. You can also start there. All right. So for some people, from their shoulder to that point measures about 12 inches. For some it measures 11, some it measures 12, 13, 14, and onward, depending on the size of the individual. So you find out that from that point is where you can attach this the shimmy part, and meaning this gathered part right here. Okay, so you start there and walk up. Remember that you've taken measurements, all right? So you've taken measurements of that part around the navel. Yeah, you've also taken measurements of probably directly under the diaphragm, because that part may be just a little bit wider than where you have the waist. And then realize or remember that just above that is the individual's breast. Okay, and yeah, a little secret that I said I'll be letting us in on going forward is that while you realize that the measurement that goes around the bust is a certain number, more of that measurement can be put in front. Meaning, if you require about 120 stitches to go around the individual's breast, you may do well to not use 60 at the back and 60 up front. Rather, you could do 45 at the back and do a 60, am I correct, or 75 up front. Yep. So yeah, do the math. Essentially, take out some of the stitches from the back and put it on the front. Why? You achieve this see how the back is flat. Essentially, everybody's back is, for the most part flat, right, if you're a female. And then the front is where there is the swell, because the breast swell up front. So with a little bit more stitches there, you prevent the garment from overly stretching. Yep, that is the advantage of putting in more stitches up front. You prevent the garment from overly stretching. All right, so whatever increases you had added, add them up front, okay? Add them up front. And then when you get to the armpit level, you stop there and then walk your panels as usual. I am hoping that everybody watching and listening has the basic knowledge of crochet, so you know what panels mean. So you get to this point, you've walked up a tube from here to there, and then you get to this point, you've cut it into panels. So you walk up the back panel and then walk up the front panel before you join them at the shoulders, right? Join at the shoulders, because we work the same type of stitch, half double crochet stitches. And then we edged. Edging was done with single crochet stitches, 2 rows of single crochet stitches in a different color. As you can see, we left the straps really thin. Yep, we wanted thin straps. This is perfect for summer, right? And then this lower part, I've already told you what we did here. V stitches, double crochet stitches. However, the last row, we now worked it in a different color and worked it with the hound's V. The hound's V again is a combination of a single crochet stitch, a chain, and a double crochet stitch. A single crochet stitch, a chain, and a double crochet stitch. That is what that hound's V right there is made up of, and that's what we use to edge. Now, so while this is a very simple form of this blouse, yeah, show us another style. So right here, same thing, same thing. Just what the difference is that, yeah, the straps are a lot thinner. As you can see, straps here are a lot thinner. And then we used pure white yarn. We used off white yarn here. And then guess what? This lower part, rather than keep it simple V, yeah, you can go to town and create lace. Look at how beautiful that is. Lace. All right, so you can use a lace pattern. Same thing, you keep it in a yarn that is thinner than what you had up here, so that you can have that the shimmy. As you can see it shimmy easy. Yeah, so there you can do that. So either you put just a simple V stitch here, or you go to town and work up a lace, lace pattern down there, right? You can also, this can be, guess what, this can be worked into a long dress. Yep, can make it a knee length dress, you can make it an ankle length dress. It will come out really, really beautifully and nicely. So yeah, you go to town, enjoy the process. Yep, and like I said, remember what to do up here. You put more of the stitches up front, so that while the back is flat, the front there, that is where the swell happens, where the breast will sit in comfortably and nicely. Yep, do you have questions about any part of these videos? Anything here you do not understand, please do ask in the comments, and we would bring you an explicit explanation. So you love the blouse, or any of the blouses, you love them so much, and you do not have the expertise level, you want us to create it for you, ask us in the comments. We will do it for you for a token. Or on the other hand, you already have, you're a beginner, you have a basic knowledge of crochet, all you want is the pattern. Also ask us in the comments, and we will do that for you as well for a token. However, everything else that you find here is for free. So feel free, ask us the one that you want, and we will definitely work something out for you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Bye.